In this video I'm going to share another feature that the Keynote software has to offer. The Instant Alpha feature is another hidden gem in the Keynote software. This function removes the background from images. It's a brilliant function to use when creating resources or presentation slides. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more inspiration. First, go to your internet browser and search for images for your planner template. Select the images that you want to use, then take a screenshot of each one. These images will automatically be saved onto your computer. So go to Insert and select Choose to insert these onto your slide. Change the color of the background so that you can see the white background on your images. Then go over to Format and select Image, and then select Instant Alpha. This button will remove the white background. Once the white background is removed, add in a shadow to complete the process. Repeat the process on all your other images, and they will be ready for you to create your digital templates for your students. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and pop over to our Pinterest page for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.